Alright guys, we are changing a old right hand right side engine support on my 4-cylinder. So you just have to undo a few bolts, one down there, two down there, and then one up top right here. And they're all 17 millimeter. Mine is already, as you can see, it's already bottomed out. It's pretty much easy process. You know, just have to undo the bolts and remove it. Oh, and by the way, I put my jack underneath there, just underneath the oil pan, just to support the engine. Alright. Obviously I'm using a phone, so I have limited access. So I'll come back, and once the new one is in, I'll shoot another video. And just like that, new one is in. Took me about not even like 10 minutes if you have, you know, the proper tools. It's 17 millimeters, all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. One right down there in the back. And yeah, took out the old one, put on the new one, and that's it. You're good to go.